Hello, Neve here from Hook Crochet. Today I'm going to do a tutorial on how to crochet a lace leaf. This is an easy pattern. It's suitable for all crochet levels and it's super versatile too. You can make so many things from this pattern, like these pair of earrings. You could stick some beads on the end. You pick up these earring hooks in any craft store, or you could simply just upcycle an old pair. Also, you can make necklaces, headpieces, brooches, so many things. So give it a go, stick with me. If you've any questions, stick them below in the comments box and I'll try my best to answer. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I've got loads more videos like this coming up. So let's crochet. Okay, so let's begin. We're going to begin our lacy leaf by doing 5 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now into the very first chain we're going to work 1 treble, 2 chain, 1, 2, another treble into the same space, followed by 1 chain and 1 more treble into that same 1 chain space, the very first chain that you made. Okay, so it looks like a little V there in the center. Now we're going to do 5 chain to turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn the work. And into this 2 chain space between these trebles, we're going to work a treble, 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, and another treble into the same 2 chain space, followed by 2 chain, 1, 2, and a treble in the 3rd chain from the previous row. So now it looks like this. Next row, 5 chain to turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn the work. Into this 3 chain space between trebles, we're going to work 7 trebles. So yarn over hook, get your hook into the 3 chain space and make 7 treble. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now we're going to do 2 chain and 1 treble into the 3rd chain of this 5 chain group from the previous row. Okay. 5 chain to turn again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn the work. 1 treble into the first treble, followed by 1 chain, treble into the next treble, 1 chain, treble into the next one, 1 chain, treble into the next, all the way to the end. So you've got 7 trebles with 1 chain spaces in between them all. One chain and a treble into the last treble. This time we're going to do, at the end of the trebles, we're going to do 2 chain and get a treble into the 3rd chain of the 5 chain group on the previous row, like so. Okay, 5 chain to turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then turn the work. Now we're going to do a double crochet, so no yarn over the hook, double crochet into the first 1 chain space, followed by 3 chain. 1, 2, 3, a double crochet into the next 1 chain space, and 3 chain. 1, 2, 3. Double crochet into the next one, all the way to the end. So we're going to end up with 5 3 chain loops in between all of these trebles, or in all these 1 chain spaces. So 3 chain, double crochet in the 1 chain space, just get your hook right into the space, 3 chain, double crochet into the last 1 chain space. Now to finish this row, as usual, 2 chain and a treble into the 3rd chain of the 5 chain group from the previous row, like so. Okay, next row, 5 chain, 4, 5, and turn the work. Now we're going to work a double crochet into the first 3 chain space, double crochet, 3 chain, double crochet into the next 3 chain space, 3 chain, double crochet into the next 3 chain, all the way to the end. This time we're going to have 4 3 chain loops, or 3 chain spaces, and finish the row with 2 chain and a treble into the 3rd chain of the 5 chain group on the previous row. Getting there? Next row, 5 chain again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and turn the work. Into the first 3 chain space, work a double crochet, 3 chain, double crochet into the next 3 chain space, 3 chain, double crochet into the next 3 chain, and double crochet into the next, and finish the row with 2 chain and a treble into the 3rd chain of the 5 chain group. There we go. So we started with 5 3 chain loops, then 4, and then 3. Now we're working 2 on the next round. So the next row, 5 chain and turn. Into the first loop, a double crochet, then 3 chain, double crochet into the next 3 chain loop, 3 chain, double crochet into the next one, then 2 chain and a treble into the 3rd chain of the previous 5 chain. Starting to take shape now. 5 chain and turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn the work. Get a double crochet into the first 3 chain, then do a 3 chain and a double crochet into the next 3 chain loop, then 2 chain, and finish this row with a treble into the 3rd chain of the previous 5 chain. Getting towards the end now, we've started with 5 3 chain loops, then 4, then 3, then 2, and we've just completed 1. But it's the same turn, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chain, turn the work, double crochet into the only 3 chain space there, then 2 chain and a treble into the 3rd chain of the previous 5 chain group. And we're right at the end. We're going to finish the work with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chain, turn, and slip stitch into the 3rd chain of the previous 5 chain, like so, and the work is done. So you're going to cut your thread right here and finish your leaf like so. So at this point you can stitch this thread onto your earring hook, or you can add beads onto the end, or you can make it bigger. And to make it bigger, you want to just add more trebles in here, and that will create more loops, so it will be a wider and longer leaf if you wanted to make a big necklace, or bigger leaves for making bigger pieces. So that's your tutorial for today. I hope you could follow it, and if you have any questions, do leave them below in the comments section. And don't forget to follow my channel. We've loads more videos like this coming up. All the best.